The struggle is real, folks. Hi everyone, I'm Wygo Warrior, aka Julie, and welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome. Wygo stands for When You Get Old. I am 54 years old, love and enjoy makeup, skincare, doing product reviews, beauty hauls, and unboxing videos. If you've stopped by because you're curious what I received in the Allure July 2021 box, then you're in the right place and keep on watching. Okay, so if anyone is new or doesn't understand what an Allure box is, it is a beauty subscription box that costs $23 a month, and you receive 6 products. 3 are guaranteed to be full size, and the remaining will be travel or deluxe samples. Allure is a magazine, and they have editors that try and review products, and they have a little sticker stamp where they give their endorsement on products. It's quite prestigious. All right, let me stop rambling and get into this box and do this to make sure that we get a good box. Lately, they've been improving slightly. This is a very skincare heavy box. We usually get maybe 1 makeup item, and it tends to be like a lip product. All right, let me stop rambling and dive into this box. Okay, so you do get a little pamphlet which will have editor commentary and will list full-size pricing. Let's see what the first item is. All right, what is this? Ooh, this looks familiar, this packaging. Yes, this is from Winky Luxe, and it is a brow pencil. The struggle is real, folks. Okay, so this is the Winky Luxe Uni-Brow. I swear to God, I got this exact same item in, I want to say, FabFitFun. Okay, so I either just broke it or I'm confused. What the? Is that a sharpener? Okay, one end does that. This end has a spoolie. Wait, what? Oh, okay. Whoa. So that's what it should look like. I guess when I pulled it out, it was too much. I'm not even going to swatch this. It is one of those triangular shaped that I know a lot of people enjoy. I don't do my eyebrows. I will take a spoolie and brush through them. But I'm either cuckoo, crazy, delusional, or am blessed with good brows. I feel I don't need to do my brows. So I don't. So this retails for $16, and I'm going to assume this is a full-size product. All right, next item, we have a little baby, teeny tiny product here. This is from, La Roche-Posay. I love La Roche-Posay. This is a Hyalu B5 Serum. Okay, so this La Roche-Posay Hyalu B5 Serum is very tiny, 3 milliliter sample. Full size is 30 ml, which retails for $29.99. Oh, okay, so if I like this, that's a very doable price to purchase. And I usually love products from La Roche-Posay, so I'm excited to give this a try. All right, next item. What is this? We have from a Crabtree and Evelyn, and I always think they're going to be a hand cream because that's what I know them. Body lotion, hand creams. Let's take a look-see in the booklet. All right, so this product is, I've never heard of such a thing. It is called the Gardener's Spiced Honey Bath Syrup. Okay, syrup. Put on pancakes, sometimes waffle. What is a bath syrup? I'm going to read what the little pamphlet has to say because this one has me stumped. So the editor says, have you ever found yourself in a marble soaking tub, the hot water and steam mixing with spa quality body lotion and massage oil, condensing into the humid atmosphere of your own private rainforest glade? Me neither. But that sounds amazing and not too far off from a recent experience I had with this bath syrup. It looks decadent, smells amber sweet, and turns every bath into a special occasion. Spa days ahead. You can purchase this. The full retail price is $35. Again, this is a sample size. All right. Next item. We have a little tiny guy here. This looks familiar to me, this packaging. I swear, I know I already have something, this possibly even the same product. This is from Acure, and it's a brightening vitamin C jelly mask. Ooh, so the packaging was yellow, but this is a soft pink. What is this? It's very, very jelly-like. Love a good gel cream. Oh, okay, so this is the type of mask that you have to wash off. You put it on, leave it on for 10 minutes, and wash it off. And it says it gives a really glowy appearance. And why they didn't include the full size in this box, I don't know. Because the full size is $19.99. That's very doable if I like this. Is this the full size? No, can't be. All right, next item. It's fancy because it has some bubble wrap. What is this? All right, ooh, it's from Ciate, London. I don't even want to guess because this size, it could be a highlighter, it could be a blush, it could be a mini eyeshadow palette. Yes, I think it's a mini eyeshadow palette. Why does this look familiar? I swear I've received this item before. What is this? Is this going to be a mini eyeshadow or a blush? It's a mini eyeshadow palette. But it is a color story that I will use. I believe I have. All right. So here are the shades right up my alley. I will need to do some research to see if I already own this. I get so many beauty subscriptions and palettes that I can't remember everything ever, especially if I don't reach for it and put it on my face. All right, what does the Allure editor say this is valued at? And will it be full size? I predict possibly yes. All right, let's see. It retails for $24, and yes, it is a full size. Okay, on to the last item. What do we have here? Some sort of a skincare. This is from a brand I'm not familiar with called Able Skincare London, and it's anti-aging, retexturing, and resurfacing duo moisturizer. Those are a lot of words. It's 50 ml, and I'm going to have to read because I don't know what a duo moisturizer is. Let's see what the pamphlet has to say. All right. So this guy retails for, shut up, $132. I'm speechless. I'm gonna read every word on this page here. What the heck? After a long day, this treatment feels so relaxing. It's a joy to apply. The lotion feels soft and light going on, and it makes my skin look dewy on the spot. Ooh, I love a good dewy cream. It says shea butter and cottonseed oil keep my complexion hydrated the next day. Niacinamide helps calm the occasional redness. And lactic acid is great for gently exfoliating and brightening the skin without irritation. And this says this alpha hydroxy acid is unique in that it actually is hydrating and fine for sensitive skin. The formula sinks in quickly. It doesn't transfer onto her pillow or sheets, but it still moisturizes well enough that she looks like she got a full 8 hours of sleep. I am super excited, super intrigued, stunned at the value. Okay, so it is safety sealed. I have way too many products open and going at the moment. So I'm just going to keep this in line to try next. OMG. And I presume this will be full size. Wow. Allure. They've been doing that lately, like where you get like a really bougie expensive product. All right, let's recap what we got in this box. So we got an expensive moisturizer. We got a sample bath product. We got a little tiny sample of a serum. We got a sample of a gel mask. We got a little tiny eyeshadow palette from Ciate London. And a universal eyebrow pencil from Winky Luxe. What are your thoughts? I will say this. For Allure, we got not one but 2 makeup items, and neither was a lip product. Good job, Allure. This one product alone was worth this box, in my opinion. $132 moisturizer in a $23 subscription box. Can't beat that. Great on-the-go eyeshadow palette. I don't do my eyebrows, so that will be in a future giveaway. Also, a Winky Luxe, please stop calling something universal. This shade, if it works on my fair skin, light hair, it's not going to work on those with darker complexions or black, dark hair. It just not. Stop saying universal. I don't take a lot of baths. This will probably be in a future giveaway. This one I'm intrigued, although I like masks where it just sink in and then, because I'm lazy. I don't want to have to wash it off. So, I already swatched it though. Oh well. Okay, so, on screen, grand total, this box value is going to be mega. I know a lot of you don't really care for Allure. To me, it's not too shabby. I love skincare. So, we shall see if I actually want to pay $23 because I'm still in my 1-year advance payment. So it's only $13.75. Let me know your thoughts. I know a lot of you aren't into the skincare as much as I am, but we did get 2 makeup products, so that's pretty good. Let me know if you are thinking about going back to Allure or if you're fine just watching me unbox. I get it. It's not for everyone. But I have noticed a pattern where I think this is the 4th box in a row that did not bother me. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love for you to subscribe. For those who have, thank you. Do me a huge favor, and that guy right there looks like this. I would love for you to hit that. It's free to you, and it really does help out my channel. If you are subscribed, much appreciated. Click that bell icon so that you can be notified of future videos. All right. Thanks, everyone.